What's up guys, Sean King from mr.fence Tools. We are in the fence lab right now. Top secret going down. Super donut when playing around with the pins. These are not your normal nails. These are our concrete anchor pin. We have the new guns. We just released these guns and pins. What we want to do is see how, this is run off a coolant compressor, how well it'll shoot this pin into this equivalency of a 40-weight post. Woo! Like magic. Got the washers on, doesn't blow through. Doesn't get much easier than that. But now, how strong is that? I wonder if I have a hammer around here. I'm gonna find a hammer. So, we got 3 nails in it. This is the top. We got another donut down there. We can put one on the bottom as well. But let's see what happens. Ah! Still didn't come off. There you go. It's a super donut. Equivalency of a 40-weight post, 134 wall. We've got a pin nailer, shoot them on in seconds with a concrete pin nail. What else do you need? Case solved.